Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Elvina Ironita. I am College of Economic Education at University of Jakarta. And this occasion, I would like to present the result of my undergraduate thesis research with title is The Influence of Income Level, Digital Literacy, and Social Environment on the Investment Intention of Generation Z in DKI Jakarta. Before I go to the main topic of this presentation, I would like to say thank you for my supervisor, our Professor Saparudin and Mrs. Siti Fatima Zahra, who helped me in the process of preparing my thesis research, and also to my family and my friend to support me from beginning until this time. Thank you so much. Okay, first of all, I will explain the reason why this topic is important and what phenomena inspired this study. In the fact, based on data from the Indonesian Central Security Depository, most Generation Z are still in their early income phase with unstable financial condition. Survey results in 2025 show that 56% of Gen Z earn less than 2,500,000 per month, and this paradoxical phenomenon indicate the need for research on non-economic factors such as digital literacy and social environment, which are suspect to influence their investment intention. And research question in the first, does income level significantly influence the investment intention of Generasi Z in DKI Jakarta? Does digital literacy significantly influence the investment intention of Gen Z in DKI Jakarta? And does a social environment significantly influence the investment intention of Generation Z in DKI Jakarta? And the last research question is, do income level, digital literacy, and social environment simultaneously influence the investment intention of Gen Z in DKI Jakarta? Research objective to analyze the effect of income level, digital literacy, and social environment on the investment intention of Generation Z in DKI Jakarta. And this research benefit is expected to contribute to the development of knowledge, especially in economics and finance, related to young people's investment behavior. It may also serve as a reference for further research focusing on factors influencing investment decision. In the part two, literature review, key theories is theory of planned behavior. Income level is the total amount of money received over a certain period, and digital literacy is the ability to understand, evaluate, analyze, and organize information obtained through digital technology. Social environment is individuals surrounding someone, include close and wider relationship. And investment intention is a person's psychological tendency shown by interest and internal drive to understand and engage in investment activities. And hypothesis is H1 is income level significantly influence investment intention. H2 digital literacy significantly influence investment intention. H3 social environment significantly influence investment intention. And the last H4 income level, digital literacy, and social environment simultaneously influence investment intention. In part three, research methodology, time and location. This is research time from May until June 20 and 25 at DKI Jakarta area. And the population is Generation Z in DKI Jakarta, especially 2 million people. And research design, uh, use quantitative method with primary data collected through a questionnaire with a like scale 1 5 uh, 1 until 5. And sample purposive sample using Slovin's formula, margin of error 10% amount 96 until 100 sample. Analysis stage, data collection technique. This study analyzes primary data. Data were collected using a questionnaire which was designed based on measurement instrument for the research variable. And analysis technique, ada validity and reliability test, assumption test is our assumption tests are normality, linearity, multicollinearity test, heteroscedasticity test, multiple regression analysis, F test, T test, and coefficient of determination. And research result, this is uji T or partial, show which variable partially have significant influence. And this is RF test, simultaneous test, the simultaneous effect of all independent variables. And the last research result from coefficient of determination indicates how much the variable explain the investment intention. Okay, the last part 5, practical implication. In one, income level is important for financial planning education, and the digital literacy need to be enhanced to encourage informed investment decisions. And social environment plays a role in shaping investment interest among peers, and the limitation this research, the scope was limited to limit limit to Generation Z in the DKI Jakarta with a 10% margin of error and just have 100 respondents, which might not get generalized to other areas with the brand demographic and socioeconomic characteristic. Okay, that's all my presentation. To conclude my presentation, I hope this research can contribute to the development of financial literacy and investment interesting among Gen Z in Indonesia, and especially DKI Jakarta. Once again, I would like to say thank you to my supervisors, the examiners, and everyone who has supported me during this journey. And thank you very much for your attention. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.